the aviation scene world over is changing. There are various steps which are required. You can't survive on the strength of an aging fleet. You can't survive on the strength of just being a regional airlines. You may have to have even alliances. You need fresh induction of capital. You need fresh aircrafts. Now, once you start the privatization process and your partner is in a position to introduce all these, it certainly has a potential to revive the performance of Air India, particularly because Air India has very valuable routes.
Okay, sir. A hotel corporation.
In the last financial year, 99-2000, we actually made an operating profit and a very small two-digit net loss. So we have recovered, we have broken even, but what now? No airline can, in a fiercely competitive operating environment, we compete with 55 airlines to and from India, can afford to remain with a static fleet. We have to grow, we have to increase our capacity deployment, we have to upgrade our assets. Now, we were looking forward to an infusion of funds from government. Government has its own priorities, they are unable to assist, so the only way out is to go down the disinvestment route. And I'm happy to inform you that even before government finalized this policy, there were a lot of major airlines, I can't mention their names, who have already come to us and wanted to talk to us about investing in Air India. Now we will be in a position to respond to them because government's policy on disinvestment has been announced.